Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NLST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. Pretty crazy, but actually this one was first alerted in our private chat room down in this area of the chart. Actually more so right around there when it was 17, 18 cents. To now see where it is, just an absolutely crazy monster mover for those of you. So for those of you in the chat room community that watch these videos, congratulations to you that have played it. You are absolutely killing it. First thing first, let's just do some house cleaning. These lines, believe it or not, were actually relatively relevant on Friday, but with the crazy move here, they just look kind of silly. So I'm going to get rid of those as they don't really pertain anymore to the chart. And from a presentation standpoint, there's no point in having lines all over the place and risking causing clutter and confusion. So let's just get some new levels updated. First level is what I would call the ideal level of support. Clay, what would make this chart look the strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 60 cents. With that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price does drop below 60 cents, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. As far as next level of support after that would be this previous breakout area, and that's right around the 47-cent mark. So keep an eye on that too, and those will be two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back, and this more so assumes you have a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a big picture point of view, easiest way to look at all this is that as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, they don't matter. Why do I say they don't matter? Well, as long as the chart keeps on doing what it's been doing, and what has it been doing? Well, it's been building these higher bases. So as long as these higher bases continue to be put into place, and if you picture those as stair steps, then everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So just focus on building higher lows like this one's been doing, and sit back and enjoy the overall trend. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.